Hello my dear friends, I hope all of you are doing very well. In this video, today we will be doing class 9 mathematics, chapter 2, Polynomials, exercise 2.5. So this chapter basically is all about the algebraic identities, the formulas, the algebraic formulas, which of course is going to be very useful for us in the future also. These are some formulas which we have actually done in the previous classes also, like class 7 standard, 8 standard, and also this will be something like a revision also. And if there were any doubts in the lower classes, those doubts can be cleared here by more practice. Okay, but before we really begin, I would also like to state that please do remember that in mathematics there is absolutely no shortcut. It's all about the more problems you solve, the better you become. We cannot memorize the formulas. It is memorized with practice only. So the more problems you solve, the better you will become in mathematics. But yes, it does take time. You need to work a little bit. You need to work a little bit more. That's all. Okay, but do remember, mathematics is always possible for anyone. All you need is a little bit of determination and hard work, and yes, consistency. All right. So now in this video, we will be basically doing 1 or 2 questions from exercise 2.5. So there are many more identities, about 10 to 11 identities are there. But in this video, we will be requiring these 2 identities, which we have already done in your lower classes also. X plus a into x plus b equal to x squared plus a plus bx into x plus a into b. And x squared minus y squared as x plus y into x minus y. So we will be using these 2 identities today in this video to solve some of the questions from the exercise. Now please do remember that these are just the model formulas. Every time it doesn't have, the letters need not be exactly the same. It's just a model only. Okay, just the models through which we will be able to compare and use similar type of similar type of problems using these 2 identities. All right, so here if you can just have a look once, that is x plus a plus into x plus b. So here what we should note is that x, these are same, x and x is same, only the value of a and b are different. Now these values of a and b can be any numerical quantity or any other terms also. But remember, our model is plus only, so it can be negative. So if it is minus, then accordingly we will change the sign also. All right, so a and b can be any other quantities, x, but this x has to be same. This is called the difference of squares formula. That is x squared minus y squared can be just written as very useful, this particular formula, especially the second one. That is x plus y into x minus y. But remember, x should be same, y should be same, only plus and minus. Even if you multiply, you will still get the same. Okay, x squared minus y squared. All right, so let's go to the exercise 2.5. Okay, I'll just rub this. So please do take out your pen, paper, book, everything, and let's try to solve. So I'll be solving from the NCERT textbook, that is exercise 2.5. That is the main questions, that is number 1. Now, of course, for NBSC it's number B, because there are 6 multiple choice questions, which maybe we will do at the end after the whole exercise, all the formulas are done. So now number B1, that is use suitable, question is this, use suitable identities. Use suitable identities to find the following products. Use suitable identities to find the following products. Number 1 is x plus 4 into x plus 10. So this is the first problem for us. Actually, if we can actually directly multiply and find out the solution also, but as the question demands, use suitable identities. So we have to use any one of the algebraic identities. We are not allowed, which is possible, but we are not allowed to directly multiply because the question says use suitable identities. So we have to use any one of the identities. So as I mentioned earlier, today we are going to be making use of 2 specific identities. The first one was let's say number 1, x plus a into x plus b can be written as x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now if you look closely, it looks very much familiar to this, isn't it? X plus a plus into x plus b, you can see x same, a value is plus 4, b value is plus 10. So we will just use that formula here, that is x. So formula is x square plus a plus b. What is the value of a here? 4 plus b value 10 into x plus a into b. No? A into b, that is 4 into 10. Please do make use of the brackets, okay, because these brackets will help you solve the questions, your problems in a very systematic order. So brackets are very much important. I hope you know the brackets, right? First bracket, second bracket that we have been using, the third brackets. So these brackets are very much useful. Please make the most of these brackets. So now let's simplify. So that's going to be x square plus 4 plus 10, that's 14 into x plus 4 tens are 40. So it's all about knowing the formula. If you know the formula, I mean the identity, then the question becomes very simple. All right. Okay, you can write, if you can note down. All right, you can pause the video and write down also. I'll move on to the next question. Number 2. The second question is x plus 8 into x minus 10. So now here also, if you see, it is same, almost same. If you have identified or not, there is a small difference. Could you identify that? A small difference with the formula that we just used. Could you identify that? Yes. X plus 8, x minus 10. Something is different. That is this. It is minus, not plus, not like the first problem. But as I say, no problem. We'll be just denoting that sign change in the formula. That is x same. It's going to be x squared plus a plus b. Look here. Value of a is 8 plus the value of b is how much? Minus 10. So in that case, I will be using the second bracket to make it look better. Into x plus a into b. A value is 8 into b is minus 10. So it's just about like picking up the numbers and putting it in their respective places, in their proper places. Not just pick it up, put it there. No, so that's why what I've done is I've picked up 8, I've kept it, brought it here. Minus 10, I've picked it up, I've brought it here. Actually, I've picked up plus 8, minus 10, minus 10. So we're just like picking it up and then putting it in the same formula form. So that's going to be x squared plus, now I can use the second bracket because I'll remove this, plus into minus, that's minus 8 minus 10 into x plus 8 tens are 80 plus into minus minus. So now let's x squared plus 8 minus 10, that will be what? Minus 2, minus because the value of 10 is bigger and 10 has a negative value, so I'll be using minus 10, minus 2, x plus into minus minus 80. So once again, just finalizing the solution, x squared minus 2x minus 80. X squared minus 2x minus 80. Alright? Okay. Alright then? Okay, fine. I'll rub off. Next question that we will move on to, number 3. The third sub-question, that is 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. So this question again, we are now moving a level up now, slowly. We are getting adjusted to the, used to the formula. Same formula only, but yes, level rising up. We are rising our standard now. Now you see, here also, if you just try to compare, it is almost the same, but terms are of course slightly different, but you will see that these values are same, 3x only, so it has to be same, x. Not necessarily, as I told you, this is just a model, so not necessarily and compulsory that it has to be x only, but it can be with respect to any of the variables and the terms should be same, x, so we have here 3x. That means in this formula, I'll just write down the formula here, okay? That will be more easily understood. Now, you see, what I will do is I will replace it. Of course, in the exams, no need to write this, okay? But just to make you understand that how is the formula same, identity same, that we can apply the same identity in this question. X value, but the only change is the X value has changed here. What is the value of X here? It is this one, 3X, 3X. So that means instead of X, I will be using 3X. But remember, whole X square, pura square. So 3X square plus, what is the value of A here? Fine, 4. Plus, value of B, minus 5. So I'll be using a second bracket. Into X. What was the value of X that we just discussed here? It is not X, isn't it? Our question here is slightly different. Our level has risen up, so it is 3X. So we should not, after doing all the hard work, we should just not again waste it because of some careless mistakes. Okay, remember X is going to be 3X for this particular question. Plus A, 4 into B, minus 5. Now let's solve. Square, I guess all of us know, so 3 square, that is 9, x square, of course, x square, plus 4 minus 5 into 3x, plus 4 5s are minus 20. Minus. So 9x square plus, again, minus 1 into 3x, minus 20. Because 4 minus 5 is 1, 5 is bigger, so minus 1. Okay, so ultimately concluding that's 9x square minus 3x minus 20, because 1 into 3x is 3x, but sign will be plus into minus, that is going to be minus. So it's 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Alright? Okay. Now for the next two questions, I believe we will be needing this identity. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y, or vice versa. Number 4, the fourth sub question. It is y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. I repeat again, the identities are just the standard identities, just the model with which we will be comparing. It's not that every time all the problems will be of this. No, the value of x, the value of y, these values can be different, but as long as it fits in the model, we will be using the identity. We will be trying to use the identity, okay? So now if you look here, of course, yes, it might be slightly confusing for this particular problem, but okay, we can do one thing. This will be better. We will do number 5 first. That way, it will be easier to understand. Number 5 is this. Okay, question number 5. We will do number 5 first. Alright? Now, number 5 first. Okay, 4 we will do after 5. Alright. Now you see, number 5, it will be easier for us to compare. Now you see, what is the difference? How do we identify these formulas? You see here, either this or this. Okay, both sides we can use. Now, this question that is given to us is of this format. So see, x, y, everything is same. It's just that it is plus, minus. So it's like x plus y into x minus y. Can we compare here? Definitely yes, because 3, 3, 2x, 2x, everything is same. All the terms are same. 3, 3, 2x, 2x. Only difference is a sign, minus, plus, or plus, minus, whichever comes first. Don't worry about that. So it's see x plus y into x minus y. That means we can easily now use x square minus y square formula because it fits in the model. So what is x? Okay, I'll just write down the formula again. That's going to be what? X square minus y square. So what is the value of x for us? It is 3. 3 square minus, what is the value of y? 2x. Alright, since it fits in the standard form. So that's going to be 3 square is 9 minus 2 square for x square. So it's going to be 9 minus 4x square. Alright, so that's what we are going to be doing. Okay? Okay, na? Alright, now let's move to question number 4. This will be easier now. Number 4, if you look, it is almost the same, but yeah, there will be a small confusion because of the square, which is already in the square again. Okay, so but don't confuse. You see, just ignore, just imagine this as just one term only, like maybe just a or b only. Okay, it doesn't matter, whatever it is, we will be squaring that only. Okay, so you see, every term is same. No? That's what matters. Y square, y square. Now, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Right? So you see, a plus b, a minus b, isn't it the same? As I said, what is the value of x, y? That is not our concern. As long as it fits in the model bus, that's enough. So you see, a plus b into a minus b, no? Or x plus y into x minus y, because the terms are same. X, same. Of course, you will be thinking that this is not x, why is he saying that it is x and all? No, I'm not saying that, I'm just saying that these two terms are same, comparing with the standard form only. So it's like same, 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 plus, minus. So that can be written as square minus square, same square minus same square. So that will be y x, this is not square, minus, the other term is 3 by 2 square, because the first term is y square. So it's x square minus y square, isn't it? X square minus y square. So that will be, now you see, y square square. So that's going to be what? 4, because 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 square, 9, 2 square, 4. So it's y square minus 9 by 4. So it's about solving more and more problems. So there will be definitely more problems. Try to get some books, practice more, because the more models you solve, the better it is for you. Okay, so, and even if you multiply also, you'll get the same answer, but here the question says use the identity, so we'll have to use the identity, then only we can solve. Alright, so that's what the question gives us. Okay, so I guess that should be enough for today's class. So you can just practice this, so that the next class when we begin, we can at least solve the second question and maybe one more identity. We will try to solve the complete square identities. All right. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have liked it. I hope you have learned it. But you have to practice again. All right. And definitely I'll be providing you more videos on this exercise. I'll try to complete the whole exercise. Okay. All right then. And please stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.